Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back in another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set your cruise control and stuff, how to use it, operate in the Mercedes Benz. So it's all on the steering wheel here. I have made another video where I show how to do it on the steering wheel video, but if you're looking for this specifically, I just made a quick video for you, so it's easier and quicker to find. Because if you don't want to learn about the whole car, you don't have the time, then you can just watch this one if you're just looking for this feature. So this is your controls. So here is if you press this one, it'll limit you to the speed of whatever the speed is. So say you're in a 70 mile an hour zone, it'll set it to that 70 mile an hour zone and limit you to that speed. Okay, here's your distance control. If you have it installed, this car doesn't have it, as you can see, but you can code it in. Obviously take it to some random guy, they'll sort it out for you, rather than go to Mercedes, they'll charge you an arm and a leg. Okay, here's your cancel button. I'll tell you more about that. So say I'm driving along, say I'm driving along and I'm doing 70, you press set, you just press this down. Can you see it's set now? So pretend we'll just say we are traveling at 50 miles an hour. So if you press up now, it'll go up 5 miles an hour. If you press down, it'll go down 5 miles an hour. So if you want to go up by 1 or 2 miles an hour, watch this. So you have to scroll up like this. It's a touch sensitive, can you see? So this is what I'm doing. Same with if you want it down, so you do that. Can you see, guys? Okay, now say someone breaks into your lane, you press the brake, it'll cancel your cruise control, or you can cancel it yourself by pressing cancel. Okay, and then once it is cancelled, if you want to get it going again, say someone's moved out of your lane, you just press resume. Can you see it's on again? So I'll start driving again at the speed that's set from before. Okay, so that's pretty much cruise control. Very quick video. That's how easy it is to operate on this car. And I just don't like the touch sensitive buttons. That's the only thing. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.